Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure downloads option on Netflix apps. So maybe you want to download with a standard or high resolution, high quality on Netflix app. You can try to set it up, configure these options by tap on your profile, then tap three stripe at the top of your screen and tap on app settings. Here you can scroll down and this one downloads option here. So you can try to configure the downloads option. For example, you can try turn on Wi-Fi only, so you can download the movie or your favorite series only through Wi-Fi connection. And you can try to configure smart downloads. If you turn on smart downloads, a Netflix will download a selection of movies and shows, so you always have something to watch. And also you can allocate your storage. And here we go, download video quality. You can try to set on high, but it can use more storage. And also you can set your download location, and of course you can delete all downloaded movie or series that you already watch. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So the text button below. See you in the next video.